Listen closely. He's calling you right now. I've been standing at the doorway, waiting for a sign. Not forcing, not pushing, just calling you by name. I don't need perfection, I don't need a crown. All I want is your heart now. Let me come around. Susau pasaba, do not fear. Let him come in. UJesu Uyamemeza, ufuna wena. Open your heart, let him come. UJesu Uyakubiza, sabela nawe. Just say yes to him. UJesu Uyamemeza, ufuna wena. Open your heart, let him come. UJesu Uyakubiza, sabela nawe. Just say if you hear the sound of knocking, don't turn away. Every moment that you're breathing is a chance today. I bring peace into the chaos, light into the night. When you open up the doorway, I will step inside. Do not fear. Let him come in. UJesu Uyamemeza, ufuna wena. Open your heart, let him come. UJesu Uyakubiza, sabela nawe. Just say yes to UJesu Uyamemeza, ufuna wena. Open your heart, let him come. UJesu Uyakubiza, sabela nawe. Just say UJesu Uyamemeza, ufuna wena. Open your heart.